Setting up a course in Instructor is as simple as creating a social media profile. With a few quick clicks, you can create your own custom training course and eventually an entire corporate training program. The content in the Instructor app is organized by a simple hierarchy. The highest level of content is called a course, followed by categories, skills, and finally, proficiencies. A course can be something as simple as how to make a pizza, or more complex such as how to operate a forklift. Courses usually represent a frontline job like housekeeper, machinist, or truck driver. In this demo, we'll keep it simple. Click on Add Course. Then fill in the information on the right side of the screen. Give your course a title and a brief description. Upload a relevant image. It's a good practice to immediately scroll down to the bottom and click Publish. Just like that, you now have a course, but it has no content. Next, you add categories. These are like chapters in a book. As you can see on the right side, you may already have some categories that you previously created. You can add them to your course by clicking on the left-facing arrow. You can also create new categories and then work your way down into the skills and proficiencies. When you create a new category, you'll have to add at least one skill. As we just showed you, you can also add existing skills to your category. To add a new skill, click here. Give your skill a name. Then enter a short benefit statement, followed by a brief description of what the student needs to do. Below the explanation, you can click here to add a short expert video demonstration of the skill. You can pull these from YouTube, Vimeo, or your own computer. Wait for the video window to appear before you proceed. This may take a few seconds. You can also publish a skill without a video, but it's not recommended. If you'd like to assign a minimum amount of training time, click here and enter it. This is optional. Next, you'll scroll down to Proficiencies. Proficiencies are the tiny step-by-step actions a person takes when completing a skill. Most skills have 3 or 4 proficiencies, but there's no limit. You can add as many as you like. This is really important. Once you're happy with the proficiencies, click on Publish button again. You can always go back and change anything, but the Publish button saves what you've entered. After you select Publish, Instructor will take you back to the category you created, where you'll click on Publish again. When you select Publish this second time, it'll take you back to the original course where you started. Once at the course, select Publish one last time, and your course is ready. Instructor allows you to create a course from the top down or the bottom up. You can create courses, categories, and skills independent of one another, and then decide how they fit together. Besides content management and creating skills-based training courses, Instructor's Administrator dashboard allows you to create instructors, administrators, and students. Select the Instructor button to create instructors. On the right side, start with their name. Scroll down and decide whether you want to give them administrator rights by selecting this button. Enter their email address and phone number. A best practice is to upload the instructor's photo. Once you create a new administrator or instructor, you can assign students to them. When you assign a student to an instructor, they will appear in the instructor's opening screen. Instructors can have more than one student. Next, add some students. Enter their name, email, and cell phone on the right. It's a best practice to upload the student's photo. You can assign a course to the student now or later just by clicking on the small checkboxes. Once they are assigned, it will show green. A student cannot be trained on a course by an instructor until that course is assigned to that student and that student is assigned to an instructor. Please remember, instructors and students always require an email and phone number. The dashboard also allows you to run reports. The interface is intuitive. You can filter the information any way you like to view and export it. Finally, the Settings function allows you to change your logo at the top left of the screen, as well as your company name. Settings also allows you to bulk upload users, instead of entering one at a time. This helps you get up and running faster. So, there you have it. We respectfully ask that you give it a try. We're here to answer any questions or provide free assistance. Thanks for choosing Instructor.